Hello. Welcome to Online Application System for the National Colleges of Education, 2020. Before applying to the National Colleges of Education for the year 2020, you should pay special attention to the following instructions. It is essential that all applicants read the entire Gazette notification published in the Government Gazette on September 4, 2020 and obtain a prior understanding before applying. The Gazette notification is also available on the official website of the Ministry of Education www.moe.gov.lk and info.moe.gov.lk. Application should be made only through the online system. And no document of any kind should be sent by registered post. According to the Gazette notification, each applicant can apply for a maximum of 3 courses, according to his or her qualifications. At the very beginning of the process, there are 2 sections for applying online. Namely, clergy and non-clergy. Accordingly, all the clergy who apply for religious courses should go to the section referred to as clergy and apply. All lay candidates applying for any course should go to the non-clergy section and apply. Only Sinhala or Tamil medium candidates who have completed the qualifications mentioned in paragraph 6.0 of the Gazette notification selection of trainees for the year 2020. Under section 6.3, selection to the Sri Pada National College of Education are required to apply for the courses at the Sri Pada National College of Education. Determining the permanent residence district of the applicants under the paragraph 6.0 of the Gazette notification procedure for selection of trainees for the year 2020, it is mandatory to carry out the instructions given under the determination of permanent residence in 6.2. After completing and submitting the application without paying attention to the Gazette notification, the applicant is solely responsible for those mistakes as no amendment can be made again. The Ministry of Education does not take any responsibility in this regard. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.